बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। पेडागोजी सीरीज़ में हम सेकंड वीडियो बना रहे हैं जो कि ऑल टाइप ऑफ टीचिंग जॉब्स के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन 1, सक्सेस इन डेवलपिंग वैल्यूज़ इज़ मेनली डेवलपमेंट अपॉन, और इसका जवाब है टीचर। सक्सेस इन डेवलपिंग वैल्यू इज़ मेनली डेवलपमेंट अपॉन अ टीचर। Question, how does an effective teacher make a student attentive in class? और इसका जवाब है ऑप्शन सी, by making one teaching interesting. Question 3, the conference are face to face dish, और जवाब है इसका ऑप्शन ए, discussion. The conference are face to face discussions. Question 4, a written work by a student to demonstrate the some literary or linguistic knowledge is termed as dish, और इसका जवाब है ऑप्शन सी, composition. Question 5, when the teacher check the student work using the multiple sources of information, the task is called, और इसका जवाब है ऑप्शन ए, क्रॉस चेकिंग. Question 6, when a learner is learning to satisfy his need and wants he is actually doing, और इसका जवाब है ऑप्शन सी, experimental learning. When a learner is learning to satisfy his need and wants he is actually doing experimental learning. Question 7 है, in addition, student formally presents a material then respond and to question from the audience, और इसका जवाब है ऑप्शन सी, symposium. Question 8, all the verbal and non-verbal communication between the teacher and the student are called dish, और इसका जवाब है are called signals. ऑप्शन ए. Question 9 है, an old but effective teaching strategy is, और इसका जवाब है ऑप्शन ए, read aloud. An old but effective teaching strategy is a read aloud. Question 10 है, dish is a method where the student asks a question each other during the presentation, और जवाब है इसका ऑप्शन सी, pair questioning is a method where the student asks a question each other during presentation. Question 11 है, the most important duty of a teacher is, और जवाब है इसका ऑप्शन ए, complete the syllabus. The most important duty of the teacher is complete the syllabus. Question 12 है, if the student don't understand what is the taught in the class, the teacher should, और जवाब है इसका ऑप्शन डी, check up the previous knowledge of the student in the topic. Question 13, which of the following is not related to the educational achievement, और जवाब है इसका heredity. Question 14, interactive phase is likely to fail if, और जवाब है इसका both A and B. Diagnostic phase is defective and B है interactive phase is not properly activated. तो जवाब है ऑप्शन डी, both A and B. Question 15 है, the reliability of an assessment relate to dash of an assessment, और जवाब है इसका consistency. The reliability of an assessment relate to the consistency of the assessment. Question 16 है, the effective domain involved dash, और जवाब है इसका manner. The effective domain involves manner. Question 17 है, what was the relation between the Socrates and Plato, और जवाब है ऑप्शन बी, the Plato was the student of the Socrates या Socrates. Question 18 है, the indirect instructions method or the lecture method the teacher is concerned is, और जवाब है इसका formal authority. Indirect instruction method or lecture method of the teacher is considered as the formal authority. Question 19 है, if the assessment is dash, if they consistently achieves the same result with same or similar student, और जवाब है इसका reliable. Question 20 है, as people get older, the ability of applying or maintain attention is dash, और जवाब है इसका decrease. As people get older, the ability of applying or maintain attention is decrease. Question 21 है, according to the dash, the more you do something, the better you are at it, और जवाब है इसका law of exercise. According to the law of exercise, the more you do something, the better you are at it. Question 22, the advocates of philosophy of pragmatism believe that the reality is dash, और जवाब है इसका ऑप्शन सी, constantly changing. The educators of philosophy of pragmatism believe that reality is constantly changing. Question 23 है, a popular teacher is one who, अब जवाब है इसका ऑप्शन ए, is the favorite of the children. Question 24 है, the famous book The Republic was written by, और जवाब है इसका Plato. The famous book The Republic was written by Plato. Question 25 है, an assessment that is conducted prior to the start of teaching or instruction is called initial assessment. Option A. Question 26 है, the model based on the philosophy that learning occur when there are changes in the mental structure are called डैश और जवाब है इसका ऑप्शन सी कॉग्निटिव लर्निंग मॉडल। क्वेश्चन 27 है द रेदर देन टेलिंग द टीचर लीड स्टूडेंट टू द कंसेप्ट टू अ सीरीज ऑफ ऑर्डर क्वेश्चन इन और जवाब है इसका सोक्रेटिक मेथड। क्वेश्चन 28 है विच फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग इज टर्म्ड एज अ स्टूडेंट सेंटर्ड लर्निंग मेथड। नंबर 1 डायरेक्ट इंस्ट्रक्शन, नंबर 2 इंक्वायरी बेस्ड लर्निंग एंड नंबर 3 द कोऑपरेटिव लर्निंग और जवाब है इसका ऑप्शन सी 2 and 3 इंक्वायरी बेस्ड लर्निंग एंड द कोऑपरेटिव लर्निंग। क्वेश्चन 29 है द वर्ल्ड ऑफ एजुकेशन अप्रोच emphasizes is balanced development of डैश और जवाब है इसका ऑप्शन डी द हेड, हार्ट एंड हैंड्स। क्वेश्चन 30 है एक्सटिंक्शन टेक्निक ऑफ क्लासरूम मैनेजमेंट इज अ टेक्निक where the teacher डैश any negative behavior और जवाब है इसका इग्नोर एनी नेगेटिव बिहेवियर ऑप्शन बी। क्वेश्चन 31 इन को एजुकेशन यू डैश और जवाब है इसका ऑप्शन ए यू डील अकॉर्डिंग टू नीड। इन को एजुकेशन यू डील अकॉर्डिंग टू नीड। क्वेश्चन 32 है व्हेन टेकिंग प्रोजेक्ट यू वुड और जवाब है इसका प्लान इट वेरी केयरफुली एंड सी देन देयर इज नो चांस ऑफ फेल्योर। क्वेश्चन 33 अ कॉमन टेक्निक टू हेल्प पीपल बिगेन टू क्रिएटिव प्रोसेस इज और जवाब है इसका ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग। अ कॉमन टेक्निक टू हेल्प पीपल बिगेन टू क्रिएटिव प्रोसेस इज अ ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग। क्वेश्चन 34 है ए और एन डैश असेसमेंट इज वन विच measure what it is intended to measure और जवाब है इसका वायलेट। A valid assessment is one which measure what it is intended to measure. Question 35 है according to the John Dewey educational process has two sides और जवाब है इसका ऑप्शन बी साइकोलॉजिकल एंड सोशियोलॉजिकल। जॉन डेवी के मुताबिक एजुकेशन प्रोसेस के टू साइड्स हैं, साइकोलॉजिकल है एंड सोशियोलॉजिकल है। क्वेश्चन 36 है एपिस्टेमोलॉजी इज द ब्रांच ऑफ फिलॉसफी कंसर्न विद द थ्योरी ऑफ डैश और जवाब है इसका नॉलेज। एपिस्टेमोलॉजी इज द ब्रांच ऑफ फिलॉसफी कंसर्न विद द थ्योरी ऑफ नॉलेज। Question 37 है the simplest skill in the cognitive domain of the Bloom taxonomy is dash और जवाब है इसका remembering. The simplest skill in the cognitive domain of Bloom taxonomy is remembering. Question 38 है you are a famous teacher but students are not satisfied with your teaching style. How you will teach them? तो जवाब है इसका ऑप्शन सी will make harmony with the student style. Question 39 है when the teacher form different groups among students they take turn asking other group question the strategy he and she is using is D और इसका जवाब है ऑप्शन बी cooperative review ऑप्शन बी। क्वेश्चन 40 है the cooperative learning method which combine the whole class learning plus heterogeneous small group is termed as और जवाब है इसका circle of learning। Question 41 the one-on-one approach to the teaching or the reteaching concept is termed as जवाब है इसका tutoring। The one-on-one approach to teaching or reteaching concept is termed as the tutoring. Question 42 है the dash is a student generated list of the words maintained by the students to remind them of what they need more work on और जवाब है इसका spelling notebook. Spelling notebook is a student generated list of words maintained by the student is to remind them of the word they need more work on. Question 43 है when the teacher display the picture for a second or two, then ask student to describe as much as they can remember from what they saw he or she is trying to improve. और जवाब है इसका ऑप्शन ए visual memory of the student. Question 44 है according to the John Locke, a child mind does not contain any dash और जवाब है इसका ऑप्शन ए innate ideas. Question 45 है the dash saying we are motivated to gain reward and avoid punishment और जवाब है इसका law of effect. The law of effect says we are motivated to gain reward and avoid punishment. Question 46 according to the philosophy of idealism in education the subject matter of the curriculum should be dash और जवाब है इसका mind should be mind. Question 47 है according to the theory of the form or the theory of the ideas the material world is a dash of the real world और जवाब है is an image of the real world. Question 48 है the skill when a student try to build abstract knowledge is called और जवाब है इसका characterizing. The skill when a student trying to build abstract knowledge is called the characterizing. Question 49 है the academy was founded in dash और जवाब है इसका Athens. Academy was founded in Athens. Question 50 है according to the Aristotle virtue is a dash state between the excess and deficiency और जवाब है according to Aristotle virtue is intermediate state between the excess and deficiency. Question 51. The process of selecting the unit from the population to estimate the characteristic of the population is called, और जवाब है इसका sampling. Question 52. An aspect of the pragmatism is experimental learning, which say education should come through experience. Option A. Question 53. The use of physical punishment for class management is called the corporal punishment. Question 54. An assessment that is carried out through the course is called, और जवाब है इसका option C. Formative assessment. An assessment that is carried out through the course is called formative assessment. Question 55. In John Dewey student-centered approach of the learning, the role of the teacher is of dash, और जवाब है इसका as a facilitator. The teacher role जहाँ पे facilitator का होता है. Question 56. Which of the following is the social characteristic of a child, और जवाब है इसका all of the above. चाइल्ड के जो सोशल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है उसमें ये तीन ऑप्शन होते हैं. ही अंडरस्टैंड द टोन ऑफ वॉइस, लव और हेट. ही रिकॉग्नाइज हिज मदर इन द थर्ड मंथ एंड हिज प्लेस सेल्फ सेंटर्ड. तो ऑल ऑफ द अबव. क्वेश्चन 57 है विच वन इज नॉट अमंग द एलिमेंट ऑफ एक्टिव लर्निंग, और जवाब है लैंग्वेज. लैंग्वेज जो है वो एक्टिव लर्निंग में से नहीं है. मैनिपुलेशन प्रैक्टिकली एंड मटेरियल्स जो है वो एक्टिव लर्निंग है. Question 58 है which of these skills do you consider extremely important for a teacher, और जवाब है teaching skill. Option D. Question 59. Anila is in the 8-year-old girl. She doesn't like to study. You as a teacher आपको क्या करना चाहिए? जवाब है इसका option C. Describe the benefit of study. उनको study के फ़वाइद बताने चाहिए. Question 16. The instructional approach in which objectives are presented to learner in chronological order is known as, और जवाब है इसका option A. The chronological sequencing. Option A.